Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Wi-Fi standards. In this video, we will explore the evolution of wireless networking technology, focusing on the 802.11ac standard, the revolutionary Wi-Fi 6 technology, and the wireless protocols that power our connected world. Whether you are using a smartphone, laptop, or smart home device, Wi-Fi is essential to your daily life. Understanding how these standards work will help you make better choices when upgrading your network equipment. Wi-Fi 6, officially known as 802.11ax, is the sixth generation of Wi-Fi technology standards. Think of it as upgrading from a 2-lane highway to an 8-lane expressway. Wi-Fi 6 offers 4 main improvements over previous generations. First, faster speeds reaching up to 9.6 gigabits per second, which is nearly 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 5's maximum of 3.5 gigabits per second. Second, it supports 4 times more device capacity, allowing your router to handle more devices simultaneously without performance degradation. Third, it delivers up to 75% reduced latency, making your connections more responsive for gaming and streaming. And fourth, it features improved battery life through a technology called target wake time, which allows devices to stay connected while consuming less power. Wi-Fi 6 achieves its impressive performance through 4 core technologies. First, OFDMA, or Orthogonal Frequency Division Multiple Access, enables the router to transmit data to multiple devices simultaneously. Instead of serving one device at a time, OFDMA divides the wireless channel into smaller subchannels, allowing the router to communicate with several devices in a single transmission window. This significantly reduces latency and improves efficiency. Second, 8x8 MU-MIMO technology supports 8 simultaneous streams of data, doubling the capabilities of previous generations. This technology works for both uploads and downloads, making it ideal for demanding applications. Third, 1024 QAM, or quadrature amplitude modulation, is an advanced encoding technique that packs 25% more data into each transmission symbol compared to Wi-Fi 5. Finally, BSS Coloring identifies network overlaps in dense deployments, allowing devices to distinguish between your network and neighboring networks, thereby reducing interference and improving performance. Wi-Fi 6 technology is transforming multiple industries and everyday experiences. In gaming, ultra-low latency and high throughput provide competitive advantages in online multiplayer games. In telemedicine, reliable high-definition video enables doctors to perform remote diagnostics and monitor patients in real time. Industrial facilities use Wi-Fi 6 for Industry 4 applications, connecting smart sensors and autonomous robots for intelligent manufacturing and warehouse automation. Retail environments benefit from high-density connectivity for seamless shopping experiences and in-store streaming. Smart homes can now support dozens of IoT devices simultaneously without network congestion. And for entertainment, Wi-Fi 6 enables 4K and even 8K video streaming to multiple screens without any buffering, transforming how families enjoy content. Wi-Fi 6 introduces significant security improvements through WPA3, the latest Wi-Fi protected access protocol. WPA3 provides 192-bit cryptographic strength for enterprise networks, substantially stronger than the 128-bit encryption in WPA2. The SAE, or Simultaneous Authentication of Equals protocol, replaces the outdated handshake mechanism used in previous versions, making it much harder for attackers to crack passwords through brute force attacks. Wi-Fi 6 also implements management frame protection to prevent deauthentication and disassociation attacks that could knock devices off the network. Additionally, individualized data encryption ensures that each device receives its own unique encryption key, adding an extra layer of protection against eavesdropping and unauthorized access. Wi-Fi 6 has experienced explosive growth in the market. Over 5.2 billion Wi-Fi 6 devices have been cumulatively shipped worldwide. 41% of Wi-Fi 6 E-enabled devices, which support the new 6 GHz band, are currently in use. The global Wi-Fi 6 market is valued at approximately $26.76 billion. Enterprise WLAN markets grew 10.6% year-over-year in early 2025. Asia-Pacific leads global growth with a 15.4% annual compound growth rate, driven by national digital transformation strategies. North America maintains 41.2% of the global market share. Consumer electronics accounts for 32% of Wi-Fi 6 applications, and smart cities integration is expected to register the highest growth rate through 2032. The future of wireless networking is rapidly evolving. Wi-Fi 7, the next-generation standard, will deliver speeds exceeding 40 gigabits per second using 320 MHz wide channels and multi-link operation across all frequency bands. Looking further ahead, 6th generation or 6G technology promises terahertz frequencies and 1 terabit per second speeds, revolutionizing connectivity as we know it. Artificial intelligence integration will enable machine learning algorithms to dynamically optimize networks and predict maintenance needs before failures occur. Key trends shaping the industry include expansion of the 6 GHz spectrum band, seamless convergence between 5G and Wi-Fi networks with automatic handoffs, open roaming standards facilitating global guest network connectivity, increasing smart city deployments requiring dense and low latency coverage, and edge computing reducing latency through distributed data processing at the network edge. Despite its advantages, Wi-Fi 6 faces several challenges. Spectrum congestion occurs in dense deployments where multiple networks overlap, causing interference that reduces performance and reliability. Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 access points require higher power consumption, necessitating advanced power delivery standards like 802.3bt to operate properly. Infrastructure limitations present a significant barrier, as many organizations have aging network equipment and backhaul bottlenecks that cannot fully leverage gigabit speeds. Legacy compatibility issues arise when older devices without Wi-Fi 6 support operate at reduced speeds on shared networks. High deployment costs for equipment and infrastructure upgrades create barriers for enterprise-scale implementation. Finally, complex network management platforms and vendor lock-in create operational difficulties for organizations managing multiple vendors' equipment across large deployments. While Wi-Fi 6 is more secure than previous standards, it still faces several vulnerabilities. SSID confusion attacks allow attackers to hijack device authentication by impersonating legitimate networks, causing devices to connect to malicious access points. Frag attacks exploit frame fragmentation and aggregation vulnerabilities to enable unauthorized data exfiltration. KRACK attacks force encryption key reinstallation, allowing attackers to intercept encrypted traffic. Rogue access points mimic legitimate networks to intercept traffic and steal user credentials. Denial of service attacks use jamming and flooding techniques to disrupt network services and cause interruptions. And unpatched device firmware contains zero-day vulnerabilities, enabling remote code execution by attackers. Users must keep their devices updated, use strong passwords, and enable WPA3 protection to mitigate these risks.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.